Hey everyone! I'm so excited to show you a new feature we've added to our 20.1 release. Windward's Microsoft Office add-in now has a new mode where you can hide all control tags. This feature is great because you can quickly check your template's formatting without the control tags cluttering your screen. Now I'm working on a template that needs a lot of control tags. You can see here in the first row that employees and the for each tags are making the cells larger than they will actually be in output. All it takes is a single click to hide these tags, and you can still see the out tags that will affect what data is output into the final document. Even if I were to output this template with control tags hidden, the data will still populate correctly. Now, this is just a cosmetic change in your design experience. Just click the button again to show the control tag. Now, you might be working on an even more complicated template than mine, so this feature is perfect for you to get a more accurate view at how your final document will look. Check out the video description to learn more about hiding control tags. Thanks for watching.